Do you want to know how you can choose your username in Signal? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do to change your username is click on your profile. Then click on your profile once again, which is your name, and you can see the username. So people can now message you using your optional username, so you don't have to give out your phone number. So go ahead and tap on the username and you can write down a username for yourself. After you write down the username, you can go ahead and add a number for yourself as well. And you can see that there is a number over here. So you can go ahead and write down this option over here as well and click save. So the usernames are always paired with a set of numbers, so you can write down the number yourself and click on save. After you do so, you can see your username has been created. If you want to edit the username, you can do that as well. Go ahead and tap on your username and you can see the delete username and edit username option. If you decided to delete the username and create a new username for yourself, just go ahead and tap on delete username, click delete, and you can see that your username has changed to default and you should set it once again. So you can easily edit and delete your username this way. Go ahead and write down the number which you want because it is always paired with a number. Click on save afterwards and you can easily change your username. If you want to share your code or link, you can click on this and you can share your code. I hope this video about how you can choose your username in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.